Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade red crochet summer top ideas. It's very beautiful, very classy summer top. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful and popular collection. So, you know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So we will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending design of handmade red crochet top. I really hope that they will love these beautiful and popular ideas. You know very well different people loves different colors, designs and themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique design of handmade crochet dresses and crochet top. So ever pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for yourself, for your kids, for your family friends and for your friends. So thank you so much viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So viewer, now I am share with you the benefits of crochet top. So stay tuned with me for the benefits of crochet top. So you know guys, these are breathable and crochet top are perfect for summer vacation, summer weather, as they allow for airflow and keep you cool. Its comfortable crochet fabric is soft and gentle to on the skin, making it ideal for every day. And now the third benefit is versatility. Its crochet top can be dressed up and down and paired with various bottoms and from shorts to skirts. Each crochet top is handmade, making it a one of kind piece. And sustainable crochet dresses can be um, crochet dresses are an eco-friendly and alternative to fast fashion and reducing waste and sporting slow fashion. You can choose the yarn, your favorite color and design to fit your personal style and preference. Flexible and easy dresses. Crochet top often have a relaxed fit, making them perfect for casual wears. Most crochet tops are machine washable and dry quickly, making maintenance a breeze. And wearing a crochet top can make you feel comfortable and confident and proud to support handmade craftsmanship. Overall, crochet tops offer a perfect blend of comfort, style, and sustainability. So there is the benefits of crochet top, and now I am sharing with you the main question in all the beginners' mind: what is the crochet? So crochet is a needlework, and it's a wonderful hobby. It's a great way to create something with your own hands, relax and stress, release your stress and express your creativity. Here are some fun facts about crochet. So crochet is a French word. Its meaning is hook. The first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make clothing accessories and home decor articles. And the most common article and crochet hook material are aluminium, wood, and steel. So we were the common crochet hook, you know very well, it's aluminium, steel, and wood. Crochet has many health benefits, including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The world's largest crochet hook was over 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. Crochet is a popular hobby worldwide. Millions people love these crochet articles, and whether you are a beginner and you are an experienced crocheter, so crochet, there's always something new to learn, and they create crochet articles. So happy hooking. It's a very unique and popular handicraft that involves using hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a great hobby for those who enjoy making things with their hands, and it can be very relaxing. If you are looking to crochet resources, I can offer tutorial. I can provide step-by-step instructions for basic crochet stitches and techniques. Pattern, I can offer a wide range of crochet pattern for various projects, from scarves to blanket to um, afghans and toys. Tips and tricks, I can share helpful tips and tricks for improving your crochet skills and avoiding common mistakes. So what would you like to know about this and or make? Let me know, and I will do my best to assist you. So I hope viewer you all are understand in the all basic rules and basic instructions, all of these. So I hope you all are understand with the all instructions and with all the benefits. So viewer, if you all love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, like my video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends. See you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.